Writing a letter to the universe. Does it work? Once you write down exactly what you want and read it every day, you start to dream about it. This experiment is something I've been doing since I was in 8th standard. But does it work? It will depend on what you want and how hard you can focus on it. The power of your mind is powerful, and mindful focus on a single thought takes practice. But here goes. Dear Universe, I am writing this letter because I wanted to say thank you. Thank you for all that you have given me. Thank you for the ability to be thankful and for always remembering where I have come from and where I want to go. Thank you for giving me a family who are my biggest treasure and a friend for life. A kind, understanding child who makes me happy with her wisdom. Thank you for this ability to write away my tears, to write when I am happy, to write when I am angry and hungry, to write to teach and write to learn. Thank you, universe, for always guiding me with your light. Thank you for this beautiful nature that surrounds me wherever I go. Thank you for always protecting me. Thank you for giving me guardian angels to help me forever. What I need help are with my wishes. Since I got over with the thank you, I need to tell you some things I need help with. Dear universe, please help me deal with my anxiety related to the mounting violence against doctors everywhere, especially in West Bengal. I am regretting the decision to come back, but then I think of my mom who needs us at least in the same state. My daughter would be in the hands of the strangers anywhere else. So guide me, dear universe. Help me work on my expectations. Help me get rid of my tendency to expect people to be more than what they are. People can only give what they have. Unrealistic expectations help no one, right? Do remind me of this when people surprise me with their lack of understanding of human nature and the circle of deeds. Please stop this violence and madness we see everywhere. Why do news channels harp on the murders and horrors? Why can't they spread positive stories? That's what we need help with.